In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the seat cover on a four-wheeler. This is the original from a 2008 Yamaha Raptor 700. It's got a tear right here. It's a little dirty. We're going to replace the seat cover with this vinyl that I got from Hobby Lobby. The only tools that you need to replace the seat cover on an ATV is needle nose pliers to get the old staples out, a staple gun, and some scissors. But in this video, I'm going to be using my electric stapler and a heat gun because it's January and it's about 40 degrees in my garage. I'm using the heat gun so that way I can stretch the new vinyl over the seat a little easier. But if you're doing this and it's summertime, you could use the sun to get the seat cover hot so it'll stretch easier, or you can use a hair dryer. First, we will need to remove all of the old staples. Just make sure that your vinyl is a little bit bigger than the seat. First, we're going to add a few staples to the lowest side of the seat. I always like to add at least 3 staples to make it extra strong. Then we move over to the other side of the seat and put in 3 staples on that side. Cold vinyl does not stretch easily. This is where the heat gun comes in handy. You will get a much better result this way. Wherever you decide to place staples under the seat, make sure that you have the cover held nice and tight. Next, I'm going to staple this in the 4th location, and you want to give it a lot of extra effort to make sure that there are no wrinkles in the seat. The vinyl is starting to look like an actual seat cover. To finish the seat, the process is the same. Heat up the vinyl, stretch it till the wrinkles are gone, and then add more staples. My children wanted to be in the garage with me while I recorded this video. You will get to hear their voices as I assemble this seat cover. It's not necessary, but you can use a hammer to finish getting those staples in just a little bit deeper. Don't forget, a little heat goes a long ways. It's really exciting to see a project like this come to life and become what you have imagined. Now that the front has been completed, I am going to move on to the back of the seat. And just like that, all of the staples have been installed, and this seat cover is looking very good. Next, all we have left to do is cut off the excess. I am very happy with the way this vinyl from Hobby Lobby turned out on this four-wheeler seat. I was able to use less than $5 worth of material to make it happen. If you have any experience with this type of work, let me know in the comments how you would have rebuilt this seat.